Всем привет, Салем Даник. Сделай, пожалуйста, реакцию на клипы режиссера Айсултана Сеитова. С нетерпением жду от тебя. Заранее рахмет.
Привет, Дани. Хочу посмотреть реакцию на музыкальные клипы Айсултана Сеитова. Сделай, пожалуйста. Please.
Ну и как можно отказать таким очаровательным девчонкам? Тем более Айсултан Сеитов задает сейчас жару в России. Он пользуется большим спросом среди российских музыкальных исполнителей. Да и вообще, на мой взгляд, у него крутые клипы, очень классные. Иностранцы посмотрят на эти клипы, они заценят видео и поделятся своим мнением. А мы в свою очередь понаблюдаем. Вы же этого хотели? Look, I will show you 4 videos.
Okay.
Yeah, which were directed by Kazakh director, whose name is Айсултана Сеитова. You will watch, you will share your viewpoint.
Okay.
Yes, and you will comment. Maybe I'll ask you. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, that's good. Let's start.
Desert.
Yes.
Yeah.
How many countries you been down in?
Not so many.
No.
He likes wide places.
You think so?
Yeah. This is big, and the desert,
Yeah.
it's big. He uses green and white a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
And is it good?
It's
So
because it makes your eyes like,
you like the color contrast?
yeah.
Hey, you got cold, like this. Yeah. Hey.
You know, I like more the clips with the storyline. He doesn't have a storyline. He's just a person who just sings.
Liti.
Yes. Лети,
Liti.
и не вспоминай меня.
Ishpayanai.
Yes.
Is that closer?
Лети,
Liti.
и не вспоминай меня.
Ishpayanai.
The singer is a freak.
Freak.
Yeah, he's not a normal person. I don't like him. I don't know.
Isn't he your type?
No, not at all.
What's going on there?
He's got two odd sexual ladies, man, all sitting everywhere, all looking at the camera. Oh, it's like prostitution.
What about music?
I don't like it.
Do you agree that this kind of video, this type of music is unusual and is not associated with mainstream videos which are regarded as pop music or pop video?
It's annoying me.
It's annoying you?
Yeah, actually the music is annoying me because it's like.
I'm not saying it's terrible, but there has been better quality. You know what I mean? You know, just because they're made up with millions of pounds and stuff. But I wouldn't say it was.
You mean specific?
It's in the middle there, man. It's people would love it or hate it. No one of these things.
Когда завершается день, когда опала листва.
This is nice. The water, the boat. The music is nice. It's calmer.
What's your back cold, nice beat, nice bass. You know what I mean? I think the video's pretty good. The books shows the show far.
Yeah.
the way they are combining the two types of music is very good because they have the theme in the background, but he's still voicing the rapper.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think it would.
You know Eminem, didn't you? I always be about him, didn't he? And the last year looks a bit what?
Really?
Окутала меня, окутала. Ты будто мой сорт марихуана. Небо в алмазах, лето летала. Ты моя бэйби, дочь карнавала.
They talk about everything, and again, over and over. The main idea of the song is related to romantic relationships, love, feelings, vibe. They're very incredible popular in Russia, these singers.
They are like a band.
Those two guys are performing in one band. This is separate singer. Yeah. He's disabled.
Disabled?
Yeah, you see. Did you want to hug one of them?
I mean, the lashes?
Chicks.
I would just take them on here.
Do you like chicks?
Oh, of course I do.
I'm just asking. Or some people they criticize them. Oh,
Danny, she bisexual and gay people because I'm straight.
Bisexuals,
She will stay away from me.
you will hate you.
No, she will stay away from me and mind her own business now.
That's
But
I think. What language do you speak, Danny?
I speak two languages, Kazakh and Russian.
And that's you for day one. Is it families? Are they the same? Kazakh?
No, they are not the same. They're totally different. Do you want to say something in Kazakh?
Please.
Okay. So what do you want to say to our viewers?
It was lovely to meet you, and I'd love to say hello because I've never been in that part of the world.
Oh, good. Okay, in Kazakh language it is Salem Ulu Britanya'dan.
Salem.
Ulu Britanya'dan.
Salem Ulu Britanya'dan.
Ulu Britanya'dan.
Ulu Britanya'dan.
Yeah. Salem Ulu Britanya'dan.
Salem Ulu Britanya'dan.
Yes. Yeah, good.
Thank you.
You're like a nature-born Kazakh. Ну что, ребята, надеюсь, вам понравилось видео. Не забывайте подписываться на мой канал, ставить лайки и комментировать все мои видео. А я, в свою очередь, постараюсь радовать вас свежими и интересными выпусками. До скорого!